So I've just paused it. So what we're gonna do is put the core underneath. So we're gonna sneak it back here and put it on that little piece at the bottom and slide this side in. I'm just gonna pull the camera over here real quick. So we're just sliding this on and the other one goes on that side. It's not really zooming in for you. Here, this nut is actually stripped, so we're not going to do anything with it. Just make sure that this is nice and tight so it doesn't move. And then we're going to put tape on the bottom of our piece. So 3 pieces of tape going across. So 1 there, 1 in the middle, 1 on the far side, and then try to grab from the middle to make sure that you're going straight, and tape the middle one first. There, that one's there, and then because it's further out, you want to just take it in a little bit. So over here there's a manual button, sorry. Okay. There's a manual button here, so we're just gonna inch it in so that this is just up here a little bit, about there, and then we're gonna press pause again to start it. So you can do this while it's printing. I just wasn't on it, so I had to press pause and then put it on. So if you have to, press pause, get it set up, and then start it again. And once it starts printing again, and this comes down to a certain point, it'll probably get to where this bar gets to about here. It'll start taking up on the take up rail. If it's not, one of 2 things is happening. Either this is too far past the take up spot, or this button is selected to off. So just make sure it's on the forward button. I just leave this on all the time and then I don't have to worry about it. But sometimes it accidentally gets knocked, so just make sure it's on. So once it gets to roughly here, should start taking up. Or sometimes there is a cord in the back that can get unplugged. So if it's not, you have this forward and this is at the spot it should be going. Check the cord, make sure it's plugged in, because it's a separate power cord for this thing. So now it's on its own. Just make sure that the tape doesn't come off and that it's going, and then you don't have to watch it. That's it.